One of the most difficult choices I've ever faced in life was in 2008, I think I had maybe $30 million left, or $30 or $40 million left in 2008. I had two choices. I could put it all into one company, and then the other company would definitely die, or split it between the two companies. But if I split it between the two companies, then both might die.
The great Albert Einstein said that compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it, earns it. He who doesn't, pays it. In today's fast-paced world, managing your finances can feel like navigating a stormy sea. With the cost of living soaring, and unexpected expenses cropping up, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry. Today we are going to guide you through the essential steps of the people who are ruling the financial world. Let's come to the point. Step 1. Learn from the Great Depression. The Great Depression of the 1930s was a time of immense hardship, but it also taught valuable lessons in frugality and resourcefulness. Families learned to stretch every dollar and make the most of what they had. During the Great Depression, Walt Disney faced financial ruin. Instead of giving up, he created Mickey Mouse, which became a massive success, and laid the foundation for the Disney empire we know today. His resourcefulness and creativity turned financial adversity into opportunity. Step 2. Adopt Benjamin Franklin's frugality. Benjamin Franklin, one of America's founding fathers, was known for his wisdom and frugality. His famous saying, "A penny saved is a penny earned," emphasizes the importance of saving and managing money wisely. Benjamin Franklin meticulously tracked his expenses and saved diligently. His frugality allowed him to retire early, and focus on his scientific and political endeavors, showing that disciplined savings can lead to financial freedom and personal fulfillment. Step 3. Embrace the Spartan lifestyle. The ancient Spartans were known for their disciplined and minimalist lifestyle. By focusing on what truly matters and cutting out the excess, you can save significantly and reduce financial stress. Steve Jobs, co-founder of Apple, famously embraced a minimalist lifestyle. His focus on simplicity and essentialism helped him make significant financial decisions that contributed to Apple's monumental success. Step 4. Use the Snowball Method like a war strategy. During World War II, strategic planning and prioritizing resources were crucial for victory. The debt snowball method works similarly by focusing on paying off the smallest debts first, gaining momentum like a rolling snowball. Dave Ramsey, a personal finance expert, popularized the debt snowball method. Inspired by military strategy, he advises paying off the smallest debts first to build motivation and momentum, helping thousands of people become debt-free. Step 5. Innovate like the Industrial Revolution. The Industrial Revolution was a time of innovation and growth. Similarly, finding creative ways to increase your income can accelerate your journey to financial freedom. Consider starting a side hustle or turning a hobby into profit. Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul, leveraged her talents and passion to create a media empire. Starting from humble beginnings, her innovative approach to media and entrepreneurship turned her into one of the wealthiest and most influential women in the world. Step 6. Build an emergency fund with Roman discipline. The ancient Romans were masters of planning and discipline. Building an emergency fund requires the same dedication. Aim to save 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses to protect yourself against unexpected financial setbacks. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, emphasizes the importance of having cash reserves. His disciplined approach to maintaining an emergency fund has helped him navigate financial crises and seize investment opportunities. Step 7. Educate yourself like a Renaissance scholar. The Renaissance was a period of enlightenment and learning. Invest time in educating yourself about personal finance. Read books, take courses, and seek advice from financial experts to make informed decisions. Bill Gates, co-founder of Microsoft, is an avid reader and lifelong learner. His commitment to education and continuous improvement has not only driven his success, but also enabled him to make informed financial decisions and philanthropic contributions. Step 8. Celebrate wins with a historical twist. In ancient cultures, victories were celebrated with feasts and festivals. While staying within your means, find meaningful ways to celebrate financial milestones to stay motivated and enjoy the journey. When J.K. Rowling, author of the Harry Potter series, received her first significant royalty check, she celebrated modestly. Her disciplined approach to finances, despite her newfound wealth, ensured her long-term financial stability and success. Navigating today's financial challenges and becoming debt-free is an achievable goal. By drawing inspiration from history's great figures, whether it's the resourcefulness of Walt Disney during the Great Depression, the frugality of Benjamin Franklin, or the innovation of Oprah Winfrey, we can adopt timeless strategies for modern success. Embrace a disciplined lifestyle, increase your income through creativity, build a robust emergency fund, and continually educate yourself. With patience and perseverance, you'll not only survive financially but also thrive, creating a secure and prosperous future. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.